Is the Dyson Airwrap Styler worth it? Let's find out. So on my right side, I have naturally air-dried hair, and on the left side is my damp hair. I'm going to use the pre-styler dryer on the highest settings to dry my hair. This takes me about 5 to 10 minutes, and as you can see, the left side, which is what I blow dried, looks frizzier than the other side. Next, I'm using the firm smoothing brush to straighten my hair. I'm working in sections and I'm taking very small sections since my hair is super thick. This does take a bit of time, especially because you straighten your hair from every angle, the top, bottom, sides, everywhere. And as you can see, my hair, I would say, is about 70% straight. This definitely does not give you the pin straight look that you get with a straightener. If you have thinner hair, then I think this will work much better for you and also give you quicker results. I'm just brushing the hair on my crown area as well and trying to minimize the frizz as much as I can. So this is what my hair looks like. On the right side is my naturally air-dried hair, and on the left side is what my hair looks like after using the firm smoothing brush. Tell me, what do you guys think in the comments below? It is definitely not comparable to a straightener, but I do think it does a decent enough job considering my hair is quite thick, but I'm not very fond of the time it takes me to do this. Then I'm going to use the 30 mm Airwrap barrels to curl my hair. Again, I'm going to section my hair, and the key is to use much smaller sections. If you take really thick sections, then it is not going to curl properly. I really enjoy using the Airwrap Styler for curling my hair because the entire process just feels like a lot of fun. It definitely is a bit of a learning curve, but once you get the hang of it, you will absolutely love using it. And I've done tight curls, as you can see. That's simply because whenever I've done looser curls or waves, they just open up within half an hour, and that never happens with me since I have dry hair. So dry hair tends to hold the curl really well, and if I style my hair with, say, a tong or a curler, the curls just stay put, but with the Dyson Airwrap, they do tend to open up. So this is what the left side looks like after using the 30 mm barrels, and now I'm going to curl the other side as well, and voila, this is the final look. The hair is a bit tightly curled right now, but it will open up, which I will show you towards the end of the video. But tell me in the comments below, how did you like the final result? I think the Dyson Airwrap works really well at protecting your hair against heat damage, but personally it does take me a longer time to do my hair compared to the regular stylers. And this is what my hair looks like after an hour. For more such videos, like and subscribe to my channel.